Hello guys, this is Santosh Kanse, CEO at GoSource. Today I am going to walk through the journey of GoSource, but majorly and more importantly, what is cooking inside of GoSource house. Do you want to take a look at it? Let's go and walk through. Let's go guys. Here is the entrance at GoSource, and this is where real journey start of any employee. Let me give you the real walkthrough at GoSource. This is biometric machine where every employee has to authenticate before they enter into the premises. This is the GoSource reception area, and this is where GoSource staff start their real journey. After the first security check, everyone has to stop and keep their all electronic devices in designated place. After that, they have to approach to the security guard for the third level of security check before they enter to the production hub. Let's go inside with me. This is our production area where real actions happen. This is where you see the work is being done. I know that you probably see this on the teams on the background, but now today where I am giving you more visual look how GoSource production house looks like. Let me just talk more about security checks on the production house. This area is completely secured by CCTV cameras and monitored 24/7 365. We not only take care of the premises and monitor 24/7, but we also care our client data security. Client data security and confidentiality is highly important for us, and that's how you build the trust. In today's world, your data is your actual currency and it has to be protected with the high best possible way. At GoSource, what you have seen today is not just about the infrastructure. It is the system that built for consistency, security, and scale. Thanks for watching.